Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and in this case, it's Polybag number 30340, and it's Emmet's Peace Offering. And this is from the LEGO Movie 2, I believe. And anyway, if y'all enjoy this kind of video and like the Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I am doing one of these videos a day, every day for the foreseeable future. And also, if you want to build along with me, there's links in the description where you can find the Polybag on Amazon as well as on Bricklink. I've also included a link to the brick set page for this particular set if you just want information about the set itself. There's also a link to Google Spreadsheets where you can find information about past and upcoming. Emmet has his face and his kind of happy smirky face. He's gonna be for today. So, also, there's a Google Spreadsheets link down there as well that has past and future Polybags if you want to join me for some future ones as well. And there's links and everything in the Google Sheet. Alright. So, Emmet's like, Alright, so we've got to build a heart. And I'm figuring, based upon some of the other sets, this is going to be the set I screw up on. Like, worse than ever. Alright. Because it seems deceptively simple, and I'm sure I'm going to mess something up. It's actually, I mean, it doesn't look too awful, I guess. Alright. So, more heart pieces. And even more. And then this one goes here. Maybe this one goes here. Alright, this one goes here. And then we have these two like that. Like that. Why are there so many steps? Oh, okay. Alright, so there's a lot of steps to put together apparently a simple heart. So we did that one. Oh. I'm thinking it's more complicated than it actually is, maybe. So I got that. And got this. And then the next level is the red one. So it's red and the 1x1s. Alright. Two of these little 1x1s. And two more of these orange ones. So, and like so, and then a couple of just straightforward 1x2 bricks on the end, like that, and then this goes right here, like so. So we got that, and two more of these 1x1s. That's starting to look right, isn't it? And I feel like there were a ton of different ways you could have put this together, and this is just the way they picked. Alright, so we got that, or we got that actually. So another one of these. And another one of these. Another 1x2. And then this goes on top like that. So takes care of that one. And then 2 purple 1x2s. That takes care of that. I made sure to bang it into the camera for good measure. And then we round out the sides of the heart like so. So we got that. And 2 more of these. One here and one here. And then these to finish out the heart. That's not too bad. It's kind of a cool little heart. Like so, and like so. There you go. So there's your heart. And there's Emmet. That's not too bad of a set, I guess. It's kind of a, I don't know. I mean, it's an interesting set. It's definitely sort of, I mean, obviously movie related. I don't know. What do y'all think? It's kind of an interesting set. I don't exactly know what to do with the heart. Might be kind of fun to mess with the heart a little bit, see if you can get it a little more sort of rounded here. I'm sure you could do that. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.